When the receiver dryer is restricted or desiccant is saturated with water, the high side pressure will be high and low side pressure will be low. Failures are often caused by contaminants clogging the filter. If the receiver dryer is saturated with water, the discharge air will start out cold but will warm up after 5 to 10 minutes. This may happen because moisture is freezing in the TXV when the refrigerant temperature drops. Pressure readings when desiccant is saturated with water will be the same as those for a restricted receiver dryer. When ambient temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and relative humidity is between 30 and 60%, the high side gauge will read above approximately 225 psi, and low side pressure will be below approximately 21 psi. When ambient temperature is 41 degrees Celsius, 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and relative humidity is between 10 and 40%, the high side gauge will read above approximately 255 psi, and low side pressure will be below approximately 25 psi.